Hey guys, Justin here from mathfilefoldergames.com. I'm here to share a math game with you, coming from my 3rd and 4th grade file folder math game books. This game is a multiplication game. This game is kind of competitive, so there's probably a way of modifying it and adapting it to make it not so competitive. So for those students who just get too anxious, especially those who shut down when it gets competitive, I find that you got to be aware of that. But if you're just playing one-on-one, and then some kids thrive at this. So the game is you deal. It's called, I guess I forgot how go cards, right? Go cards, multiplication version. So you deal out 7 cards to each player. Let's pretend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now you have 7 cards in your hand. You shake the dice, and 2 times 5 is 10, right? So they got to do the multiplication 2 times 5 in their head, and then they got to find in their hand a 10, right? So they might just have a 10, and the first person to throw it out wins. I don't have a 10, but you can also combine cards to make, so these are digits, I guess we call them. So you can make like an ace and a 2, so a 1 and a 2 would be 12, right? Or 21, or 9 and a 2 would be 92 or 29. So you can use them as digits, put them in different place values and make a number. So I don't have 10, and so if the other person has 10 in his hand, they can throw it on, and they would win that round, right? First person to throw a card down, that's the correct answer, wins. So you shake, you might have to throw 2 down. So 1 times 6, once again, I don't have 6. Maybe let's check the other person. Nope, you don't have 6. So this is a good player. This game should be played with more than just 2 players. So 3 to 5 players is what I recommend. So you keep playing. Let's play. Come on, I gotta have one that I have. I don't have a 24 or a 42. I guess you could have 24 or 42 with that one. So that's the other beauty of the hand. They're looking at their hands like, oh, I have 7 times 6. I have no, I don't have that. Right, 24 or 42. Nope, I don't have that one either. Okay, this is not very well played. There, you can't even see it probably. So I would throw down a 9. 3 times 3 is 9. There, I win. I win the round. So I would win a point. So I keep my points. So then you just keep playing. The first person to get out of their cards wins. So if you roll a dice and no one can play, everybody has to pick up a card. Or you could play, I guess another version is you could take turns. So I'd roll it, and only if I can't make a 5 times 2, I can't make a 10 out of my hand, so I gotta pick up a card, and the next person goes. So you can play, I guess, around like that. So it's not such a speed game. That would take the huge element of competition out of it. So I'd modify it that way, I guess, if I needed to. And then so it's first person out of their card. So if you can't play, you got to pick up. So if you can play, you get less and less cards until you're out. And first person out of cards wins the game. So that's kind of a fun game. I like playing this game with my students, especially if you can quick center, sit down with your students and play it with them. Maybe so you can, if you as a teacher or as a parent plays with your students, and you don't have to make it so competitive. Maybe another way of adapting it. So it's a quick game. All you need is dice and cards. Play this game. If you want the more detailed rules and examples of how to play, head on over to Facebook if you're not there already. Comment below, and I'll message this over to you for free. So if you want this game for free, just comment below, and I'll message it to you. But here's the thing. I would like you to comment maybe a modification. As I was playing this game, I thought of other modifications. Maybe you thought of something too. Or how you can adapt it to your own classroom, and then share it with us. Share so we all can learn with each other. That's my game for the today. So if you want this game, comment below. If you want the entire book of my 3rd and 4th grade math multiplication games, head on over to my website at mathfilefoldergames.com, and I'll send it to you. And you can find this book and this book is bundled with other books or whichever you want, and you can head over to their mathfilefoldergames.com/store, and special discount code for those who watch the video. Math is fun, and this will give you a 50% discount. So this is my secret discount code. So if you watch the movie, get the code, head on over to my website. This also includes my mega bundle, so this is an amazing deal. So if you have any questions, you can comment, message me, email me, let me know. So remember, try to make math fun, help them learn those basic facts, and use games to reinforce these skills and have fun.